Okay, so this video is gonna be very important. If you want to create a website with HTTPS enabled and you want to install SSL certificate on your website for free. Most of the time people spend a lot of money to buy the SSL certificate and make their site secure. But here in this video I'm going to tell you how you can get the certificate for free, and you will get the lock icon on your website as well. So whenever you visit the website, if it is not HTTPS enabled, the warning messages are shown and then users do not visit your website. So it is very important that your website is secure with HTTPS enabled. So for that you will need SSL certificate. Now to get the SSL certificate, you can buy it or you can get it for free. So if you want to get it for free, you will need to do these things. So first of all, you need to have a root access to your machine where your website is running. So my website is running in EC2 instance, that is in AWS cloud, and that is running on Amazon Linux machine. So to install this certbot, so certbot is actually a tool that allows you to create the HTTPS certificates. So if you want to install this certificates, first of all you will have to install certbot, and for me I had to execute these commands: sudo yum install this rpm package. So this package or the repository contains the certbot, and once that package is downloaded, I can install it using these commands: sudo yum install certbot nginx and sudo yum install certbot. So basically here we are installing the certbot, and the certbot nginx is actually a plugin. So if you are using the nginx server, then you will need to install that one, certbot nginx. If you are running other server, then you might need different plugin for that one. But for me, my website is designed or servers are designed in such a way that NGX is the main reverse proxy server, and behind that NGX I have got 3-4 web servers. So I want to enable HTTPS, I want to install the SSL certificate for all the servers. That's why I have installed this certbot nginx. Now how to create the certificate. So first thing is we have installed this certbot. Now let us try to see how to create the certificate. So there are two ways in which you can create the certificate. One is automatic way and another is manual way. So if you want to do automatically, you can execute this command sudo certbot --nginx. So here we are telling that I want to create the certificates for the servers which are behind nginx. So once you execute this command, it will ask you several questions, and like which site you want to enable, because nginx knows what websites are like configured for the server. So once you execute this command, it will tell okay which sites you want the HTTP certificate to be created. Then you can tell him what sites you have to you need the certificate for. So this is automatic way, but this way is actually failing for me. I wasn't able to install the certificates using this way. So what I did is I executed this command manually. So this is the second way: sudo certbot cert only --manual. So this command will actually create the certificate manually. It will not install the certificates. So once you execute this command, again it will ask you several questions. There will be a challenge, like they will ask you to prove that you own this website. So you might have to create one file and then save it in this location on your web server. And once it is successful, then you can proceed to the next step. So after that, SSL certificate is saved on your machine. So where the certificate is saved, it is saved in this particular location: etc let's encrypt live and then website name. So that is where your certificate will be saved, and these files are created. So out of that, this is your private key, and this is the main certificate. Other certificates, these files are also important, but most of the times, like for me, this file was enough. So this is basically a certificate, and this is a private key. Now how to view the certificate details, like these commands have saved the certificate. So you can see these certificates here using this command sudo certbot certificate. So it will display all the certificates that have been saved on your machine. To renew the certificates, by default it will be validity for the 90 days for the certificates, but if you want to renew it, you can create this cron job and then execute this command certbot renew. So sometimes if you like manually install the certificates, then this command may not work. So you might have to search like how to renew the certificates out. So that can be a problem. And then if you want to add the domain to existing certificates, for example, I had created the certificate for this domain, but I have wanted to create the certificate for this www as well. So what I did is I executed this command sudo cert and then given these domains. So I followed all the steps and then certificate was created for both these domains. So I can use basically the same certificate for. So in Nginx configuration file, you will have to do some settings if you install the certificate manually. So here we are redirecting all the HTTP traffic to HTTPS, as you can see. So the requests coming on this port 80 will be forwarded to the HTTPS. This is how I have configured this SSL server. So for this server, we are listening on this 443 SSL port, that is the default port, and we are giving this SSL certificate path and then SSL certificate key path as well. So these files will be used when SSL handshake happens between client and your website. So basically, that is how you can create the SSL certificates. I wouldn't tell you to go and buy the certificates. It is this tool is free, so why not use this free tool to create the certificate and use it. Also, Google and all other major browsers recognize these certificates as well. So I don't think there is any way or any need to go and purchase the certificates by paying money. You don't need to pay at all. You can use this certbot to get the certificates and install it on your server. So if you face any questions here, you might face any problems and you might have any questions when you are executing this command. So if you face any problem, let me know through the comments, or you can also send me an email address, and you can also send me an email and I will try to fix your problems.